Hey guys,
so today I'm here with my friend,
and I'm here with my friend Erin.
Oh, if you can't see her, get into the shot.
This is jungkook,
and she
follow
is
her. Make sure to subscribe to her channel,
and we're gonna show you my squishy collection.
And so I'm gonna use this button. Okay, so I'm doing a review on a squishy challenge. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to both of our channels. Like this video. Comment down below what you thought about this video. And make sure to press that bell so you can get notified every time we post.
Okay. So the first one I'm gonna be showing is this cute little bear.
This smells so good.
And this is my favorite squishy out of my squishy collection.
Yeah, that's really cute squishy.
And this one's really squishy and slow rising.
I really like this squishy. Not very slow rising, but the smell of it is amazing. It's like, what is this?
Oops.
What is this? What is this?
It's macaron.
Macaron. Some macaron. It's so cute. Yeah. Okay, so where's the bag? Okay.
I think I might put this on my phone. So
yeah, this is like beautiful. And oh my gosh, the slow rising bread. Oh my god, I missed this. Okay, so this is a bread. The bread. Oh my god.
While she's doing that, I'm not gonna take.
And it smells like a delicious.
I'm not gonna take these two panda buns out of the packaging because I don't want them to get
She gave away her like big panda bun, and it's very slow rising.
So this is my panda bun.
You didn't make sure you're showing it to big habits. Okay. So
this is my
we're in the exact same room at the exact same time, filming at the exact same moment. I'm so sorry, Squishy. Like that, it's just so squishy.
So this is my panda bun with the red bow on it. This one's really nice. And then I got the mini panda bun.
The smell is just killing me. I really want to know what this. Like, oh my gosh, it's like super slow rising.
Next,
not like super
I have this
like so slow
this croissant, and this one is really
have this like
kind of good, but you can like squish it.
I don't think it has a face. It doesn't really smell like anything. Not very squishy because like of this.
Yeah, and some of the sprinkles come of that cake.
Oh yeah, I can tell. So yeah, I really like that actually.
And then we got another cake. It's a pink one.
We have two cakes.
And this was the pink one. This one has more sprinkles on it.
Bars. So like bar. So yeah.
Next I'm gonna show